Two variables x and y are connected by the relationship y is equal to ab to the power x, where a and b are constants. We want to transform the relationship into straight line form. Now, looking at the graph here, I've got ln y, which tells me I should use logs to the base e. So ln y is going to be ln a b to the x. So ln y is going to be ln a plus ln b to the x, giving me ln y is ln a plus x ln b. So that tells me that I should plot ln y against x. Those are my variables, and I can see on the graph I've got ln y and x, and it tells me that the intercept is ln a and the gradient is ln b. Now, reading straight from here and looking at the scale, the intercept seems to be negative 0.6. Now, if I form myself a triangle here, which goes 2 across, that's 0.6 and 2.1, so that gives me about 2.7, giving me that the gradient is 1.35, 2.7 divided by 2. So to determine the value of a and the value of b, well, a we know ln a is the intercept, so ln a is negative 0.6, and we know that ln b is 1.35, so a is e to the negative 0.6 and b is e to the 1.35. So we just need to calculate those, and it does say here one significant figure. So we've got e to the negative 0.6, and that's 0.5 to one significant figure, and b is going to be e to the 1.35. So let's just go back and edit this. Oh no, not allowed me to do that, so go back to here and 1.35, and that's going to be 4 to one significant figure. So this should be approximately equal, shouldn't it? And so using those figures, we have that y is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 4 to the x. Just check that's true. Yep. And if y is 220, 220 is equal to 0.5 times 4 to the x. So that gives me 4 to the x is equal to 220 divided by 0.5 will be 440. If we take logs of both sides of this, and it doesn't matter about the base, we'll get that. And the x comes down, and so x would be equal to log 440 over log 4. And we can calculate that. So we've got the log of 440 divided by the log of 4, and that gives me, I'm going to put that down as 4.39. And there we go.